Hi guys, if you want to make the Shopify banner clickable, there are two options. Option number one is to implement a custom code. If you are using Dawn or other free Shopify themes, plenty of tutorials tell you how to do it. But there is one big problem. When Shopify releases a new theme update, those tutorials stop working and you can't update your theme and benefit from new awesome features because otherwise you will lose your custom coded clickable banner. Another problem is that if you use premium themes, there are no tutorials on implementing clickable image banners. So you have to hire a developer and pay at least $200 to implement a clickable banner into your premium theme. The worst part is that you will have to do it repeatedly with each new theme update. By implementing a custom code into the premium theme, you also lose the rights for support. So if you accidentally break something, your theme provider will not help you because it's your fault. And what about the mobile version of the clickable image banner? You need to code it as well. Otherwise, it won't look nice on mobile. Option number two is a clickable banner Shopify app. It is super easy to use. It doesn't impact your site speed, and it works with every new Shopify theme release. So you can benefit from Shopify improvements without losing a clickable image banner. It's only $5 per month, which is much cheaper than paying a developer $200 each time there's a new theme update. $200 will last you for 40 months when using the app. And you keep your theme intact, meaning nothing will break, and you retain the right to theme support. Here's how Clicky works. Install the app, enable the widget, go to the customizer, add a section, and upload your desktop and mobile images, and you have your Shopify clickable banner ready. It's that easy. Try Clicky today and stop worrying about custom code.